This is a review of the Niupipo Pickleball paddles that are a set of two that are advanced friction coating paddle that I'll be doing a review on. So these tennis rackets are pretty much it comes with a set of two, and it comes with multiple balls as well too that it comes with as well too. And these are extremely high quality, and I'm gonna pretty much do a review on it and unbox and show you guys what you get from the package. And I do want to start off by saying some of the key points that the packaging of this is really marvelous and fantastic. I love the elastic strap that it has. Pretty much you can store in any documents or anything like that, or any any the accessories from the tennis that you could put in as well too. Plenty of storage right here. Right over here you can see the logo of this as well too. Really high quality, and it feels very durable as well too. So you could tell that these tennis rackets are high quality. But yeah, without going further, we're gonna pretty much to take this out of the package and show you guys the balls that it offers and the tennis rackets as well too, and show you guys on how they are exactly are and the design and layout of them. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get from this package. Okay, so we have everything pulled out, and I'm going to show you guys. These are probably one of the best tennis rackets that you could get. I love the color it has. The quality of this is really amazing. Super high quality. It offers four of these, two orange balls and two yellow balls, and they look really phenomenal. The quality of these are also very amazing too. And you can see here that they're moving around, and very high quality. It's like plastic, but it's extremely high quality. It's very durable. And so far I've been using this for a while now. It's really entertaining and fun. It's a good form of anaerobic exercise, and it really does help. It's like, if you have a tennis table at home, this would definitely be a very fun game to play with. It's really fun. The quality, like I mentioned, it's super high quality. It has like a wood piece on the bottom, but it's very durable though, like very high quality. And I love how it has like a blue color shade with the reddish and a pinkish type of hue color that it offers as well too. Extremely colorful and extremely high quality. It also comes with these bands as well too, if you want to like wrap it around, you could do that as well too. Very colorful as well too, and very high quality. And it also comes with a instruction manual guide that it comes with as well too. But overall, I would definitely recommend these tennis rackets because of how it is extremely very fun to play with. It's very entertaining. And if you have a tennis, pretty much a board at home, this would be even more fun to play with. And it offers, like I mentioned, four of these tennis, so two yellows and then two oranges. One, I believe it fell down, but yeah. I would highly recommend these tennis rackets. If you're looking for a new set of tennis rackets, then these ones are probably one of the best tennis rackets that you could get, and I would definitely highly recommend this product.